Credit limits on newer fintech cards usually don't work like traditional credit cards because many of them don't publish fixed limits up front and instead adjust access based on account behavior and internal risk systems. By the end, you'll understand what actually determines Arro's credit limit style, how it compares to traditional credit cards, and what you can realistically expect when you first get approved. Start with Arro Card. Arro is not a traditional credit card issuer with a clearly advertised fixed credit limit like a bank-issued card. It's more of an app-based financial product that adjusts spending access based on how you use the system and how it evaluates your financial behavior over time. What that means in practice is this. Instead of saying, you have a fixed limit of X dollars, the available spending power can be dynamic, especially early on. The system is designed to control risk by gradually increasing access as it learns your activity pattern. That's different from traditional credit cards. With a normal secured or unsecured credit card, you usually get a clear limit up front. You know exactly how much you can spend, and that number only changes after account review cycles. With Arro, the experience is more fluid. Your available spending ability can feel more like a managed range instead of a fixed number, especially at the beginning. The app is tracking usage behavior, repayment consistency, and account activity inside its system. Now the key question, what should you actually expect when starting out? The realistic expectation is that early access is usually conservative. That's intentional. These systems often start with lower exposure, and then adjust over time, based on how consistently you use the account, and stay on track with payments or internal requirements. That's the main difference people miss. It's not just about getting a higher limit or lower limit. It's about how predictable that limit is from the start. Traditional cards are predictable. App-based systems like Arro are more adaptive. So, here's the breakdown. If you want something stable where you know your exact credit limit from day one, traditional credit cards give you that structure. If you're using an app-based system like Arro, expect more flexibility and a limit that can shift based on behavior and internal scoring. Neither approach is automatically better. They just serve different types of users. One prioritizes predictability. The other prioritizes adaptive access. Quick recap. Arro does not behave like a fixed limit credit card. It adjusts access based on account behavior. Traditional cards give you a set limit up front. The difference is structure versus flexibility. Next step is simple. Decide whether you prefer knowing your exact limit from day one or working within a system that adjusts over time. Then choose based on how you actually manage spending day to day. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of credit tools without the confusion.